Want the best prawn fried rice that is better than your favorite takeout? No soggy rice, no bland prawns, just pure, crispy, garlicky goodness in today's video. Okay, let's get started now. 6 pieces medium to large prawns. Deeply butter fry the prawns, but keep them connected. Marinate the prawns with 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, a pinch of salt, 1/2 teaspoon cooking wine. Mix all the seasonings well with the prawns and then set it aside. 20-gram green onion and dice them to small pieces. Half a carrot and dice it to small cubes. Three eggs. Put a little bit salt to the eggs and then whisk until they are evenly combined. 2 slices ginger and slightly mince them. One teaspoon garlic mince or mince 4 cloves of garlic, 25-gram green peas. Finally, 300 gram overnight rice. Now we start cooking. Blanch the carrot first for 2 minutes, and then put the peas in and blanch for another minute. Drain the water and set them aside waiting for cooking. Put 1 tablespoon oil to the pan and heat up the oil. Pan fry the prawns on both sides until they turn white. If you see the middle part is still raw, pan fry a little bit on that side too. When every side of the prawns are turned white, give them a few stirs and then transfer them back to the bowl. Remember, don't overcook the prawns, otherwise it won't be tender and juicy. Clean the pan and put it back to the stove. Put another tablespoon oil to the pan and heat up the oil. Put the eggs in, let it set for a little bit, and then break it to small pieces. Transfer the eggs back to the bowl when they are done. It is not necessary to clean the pan this time and put it back to the stove. Heat up another tablespoon of oil. Put the ginger and garlic mince in and saute for about 30 seconds. It smells so good now. I really want to send over the fragrance of the garlic and ginger through the screen to you. And then put the rice in. Pan fry the rice until the clumps are all gone and the rice becomes fluffy. And then put 1/4 teaspoon salt in. Mix the salt well with the rice. And then put all the ingredients in except the green onion. Mix the ingredients well with the rice and give them a good toast for 1 minute. And then do a final tasting. Add more salt if needed. I always like to do a final tasting to ensure the savory level is up to my preference. Give everything a few more stirs to mix the salt well with the rice. Finally, put the green onion in and give everything a few stirs To mix the green onion well with the rice, this delicious fried rice is done. This prawn fried rice is pure comforting. Each grain of rice is separated and slightly crisp at the edges, soaking up a savory blend of prawn, egg, garlic, and ginger. The prawns are plump, sweet, and snappy. This fried rice is so scrumptious and addictive, and I usually cannot stop eating it after one bite. I hope you will give this recipe a try and share it out if you like it. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!